Good morning, we are here in Salisbury today and we are going to take a look around the Camping and Caravan Club site, which we stayed at for 2 nights, so let's have a look. And real quick before we start here, if you like this video, why not go ahead and click that thumbs up button, and if you really like the video, head over and subscribe to the channel. The Salisbury Camping and Caravan Club site is unsurprisingly located just outside of Salisbury, and it is just 2 miles from Salisbury Cathedral, so it is easily walkable from the campsite. The main road in is the A345, which is a main road, so there should be no problems getting your van in, regardless of the size. Once you have driven through this public park area, you reach the entrance to the campground. And as we do on these site tours, here is a quick walk around of this campsite starting near reception. And on the left here is the smaller of the amenities block. And just here on the left again is the larger of the blocks. This site is set out in a oval shape, so the walk around is quite simple and pretty quick to cover, so in a few seconds we will be back at the entrance. And here we are, right back at reception where we started the walk. And here is another quick look at the reception area, but only from the outside because we didn't actually venture inside at all. Here is the main amenities block, and it is time to take a look at the facilities. The showers and toilets are pretty basic but functional, as you can see. They have individual cubicles with a basin, as well of course the toilets and showers. And the toilet showers are unfortunately push button, which we are not keen on, but I do like the shower curtain separator to stop the dressing area from getting wet. And in this cubicle they have only 2 pegs, which isn't ideal either. But we managed. The dishwashing area is pretty normal. They have hot water obviously, there's plugs in the sink and plenty of space. I do wish, however, that more sites had bowls in the sinks. It would make washing up easier and it would probably save water as well. The laundry rooms seem to double up as an information area too, with leaflets and bits about the local area. And the main bin area is outside the gates, and I don't recall seeing other bins inside the site itself. There is a basic but totally adequate motorhome service point. And the chemical toilet disposal area was clinical, functional and indoors. Well, what's nearby the campsite? Well, we didn't get much time to explore, but here are a couple of points of interest. The Old Sarum is nearby, which is now the ruined and deserted site of the earliest settlement of Salisbury. And as already mentioned, Salisbury itself is a mere 20-minute or so walk away. Well, we have to admit the campsite was pretty average for us, but it did have far-reaching views and pretty good sunsets. Salisbury being nearby is a bonus with its shops, bars and of course the cathedral. They occasionally have a food truck as well, and while we were there we enjoyed a breakfast bap. So there we go, I hope you enjoyed this campsite review, and if you did, why not give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel. It's free and all you have to do is click that button. We'll see you in the next video.